Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Windows Security so you can disable the firewall precisely and safely. Press Windows key plus S, type Windows Security, and open it. If prompted, approve Admin Elevation. Once the app is open, select Firewall and Network Protection. You need to pick the specific network profile you're on because settings apply per profile. Make sure you understand why. Disabling stops Windows Defender Firewall from filtering inbound and outbound connections, so prepare another security measure first. Now you turn the firewall off for the active profile so changes apply where you need them. Click the active network profile, domain, private, or public, and find the Microsoft Defender Firewall switch, toggle it to off. You will see a user account control prompt. Accept it to proceed. Once toggled, confirm the status changes visually and note which profile is affected, because turning off public network firewall increases exposure on untrusted networks. If you have group policies, make sure they won't re-enable the firewall automatically. Finish by verifying the firewall remains off and test connectivity so you know the effect. Go back to Firewall and Network Protection and confirm the profile shows Microsoft Defender Firewall off. Then run a simple ping or app test. If the firewall re-enables, check Local Group Policy Editor under Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Network Connections, and inspect third-party antivirus controls that may override settings. Make sure to re-enable the firewall immediately if your exposure increases, and use a restore point if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.